mesmerizing design that fully embraces the breeze. Air conditioning begins with capturing the essence of the air. Gentle rhythm hints at the silhouette of the air. We have placed it on a shining stage. This breeze is distinctive. Cooling spin creates a jet stream, which is then swiftly and elegantly absorbed into the space. As if fine-tuning the elements of music, you can compose your own song of air to your liking. Now, it will play your unique and exhilarating masterpiece of wind. Once the desired temperature is reached, the score will gradually fade. Air conditioner that sees, listens, speaks, and thinks anytime and anywhere.
에어컨.
We now proudly present this wondrous piece. Symphony of the Wind.